Justice Chukwudifu Akunne Oputa of the popular Oputa Panel, often referred to as Justice Oputa, was a distinguished Nigerian jurist, renowned for his contributions to the legal profession and his role in promoting justice, human rights, and the rule of law in Nigeria. He rose to prominence as one of Nigeria's most respected legal minds, renowned for his integrity, erudition, and commitment to justice. His background indeed reflects roots in a prominent Igbo family, with his father being an Igbo chieftain with significant influence in the community. His upbringing in Oguta, Imo State, Nigeria, was undoubtedly influenced by the cultural heritage and traditions of the Igbo people. He was born on September 22, 1916, to Chief Oputa Uzukwu and Madam Nwametu Oputa, hailed from Oguta, Imo State. Justice Chukwudifu Akunne Oputa is survived by his wife and children, including Charly Boy, a popular musician, and Geoffrey Oputa, a legal practitioner. His educational journey began at Sacred Heart School, Oguta, where he laid the foundation of his academic pursuit from 1930 to 1936. He then continued his post-primary education at Christ the College, Onitsha, from 1937 to 1940, where he obtained his West African Senior Certificate. Continuing his quest for knowledge, Oputa pursued higher education at Yaba Higher College. However, due to the upheaval of World War II, he transferred to Achimota College in Ghana, where he earned a degree in economics in 1945. Subsequently, he journeyed to London, where he furthered his studies, graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in History from the University of London. He later pursued a degree in law, which he obtained by 1953, marking the beginning of his illustrious legal career. In 1966, Justice Oputa began his judicial career when he was appointed as a judge of the High Court of the then Eastern Nigeria. This appointment marked the beginning of his service to the judiciary and the people of Nigeria. 10 years later, in 1976, Oputa was appointed as the first Chief Judge of Imo State. His appointment to this prestigious position showcased his leadership qualities and his ability to administer justice effectively at a state level. In 1984, Justice Oputa received a significant elevation in his career when he was appointed a Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. This appointment to the highest court in the country underscored his expertise, legal acumen, and contribution to jurisprudence. As a Justice of the Supreme Court, Oputa played a crucial role in shaping legal precedents and delivering judgments that had far-reaching implications for Nigerian law and society. His tenure on the Supreme Court bench further solidified his reputation as a distinguished jurist. Overall, Justice Chukwudifu Oputa's journey from a High Court judge to the Supreme Court justice reflects his remarkable career trajectory and his enduring commitment to upholding the principles of justice, fairness, and his rule of law in Nigeria. He was selected by Olusegun Obasanjo in 1999 to lead the Oputa Panel, which investigated human rights violations by former military juntas and reported in 2003. Indeed, Justice Chukwudifu Oputa made significant contribution to the legal scholarship in Nigeria through his writings and publications. His scholarly works have served as valuable resources for legal practitioners, scholars, and students, enriching understanding of various aspects of law in Nigeria. Justice Oputa died on May 4, 2014, after a protracted illness of the age of 96, leaving behind a legacy of integrity, courage, and dedication to the pursuit of justice in Nigeria. His contributions to the legal profession and his effort to promote accountability and human rights continues to inspire generations of legal practitioners and activists in Nigeria and beyond. Absolutely, Justice Chukwudifu Akunne Oputa legacy indeed stands a beacon of commitment to justice, human rights, and the rule of law in Nigeria. His unwavering dedication to these principles, as evidenced by his judgment and leadership of the Oputa Panel, has left an indelible mark on the country's legal landscape. His emphasis on fairness, equity, and the protection of fundamental freedoms resonates deeply, serving a guiding light for legal practitioners and advocates striving to uphold these legal ideals. Even after his passing, Justice Oputa's influence endures, inspiring current and future generations of jurists to emulate his intellect, integrity, and devotion to justice. His legacy serves as a reminder of the pivotal role that principled leadership plays in advancing the cause of justice and human rights. As Nigeria continues to navigate the legal and societal challenges, the example set by Justice Chukwudifu Akunne Oputa remains a source of inspiration and guidance, ensuring that his contributions will be remembered and honored for years to come.